everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick yoga flow using some blocks. This is a great workout after you just got done at the gym or you need a little routine to do before bed. We're going to start seated. Sitting on top of your blocks. Straighten your legs, point your toes, and give me some circles. And circles the other way. And curl your toes. Bring them to your nose. Your toes are the foundation, and you want to make sure that you get some movement throughout so you're able to stand taller and you have great posture. One more. And release. Come on off your blocks. We have the 90-90 drill. Put them off to the side. Z-sit your legs. Sit up nice and tall. Swipe your legs over to the right. Swipe them left. Sitting up as tall as you need. Now you can always build up your ground by using your blocks. And then stay here. Come forward and lift the back ankle. Now lift the knee. Now if you can only lift the knee, don't worry about it. Just try lifting the knee and lifting the ankle a little bit. Knee, ankle, one more. And release. Now let's bring the leg around front. Bring it around front. Bring it around back. Now if you can't reach the ground, grab that block, put it next to you. Last one. And sit up nice and tall. Extend your arm back. So I have my right leg in. I'm pulling toward my left, looking over my right shoulder. And bring it back down. Swipe your legs to the right. Now go ahead and place your hands down. Lift the ankle. Lift the knee. Now notice one side may be harder than the other. This is my tougher side. Knee, ankle, one more. And let's go ahead and bring that leg around to the front. I'm just going to back up a little bit. Bring it around and back. Go ahead and keep your right hand planted, whether you're using a block or just your hand on the ground, and hold it right there. And now bring it back. Take your right hand, grab your left. A nice little spine twist. Sit up nice and tall. And release. All right, cat and cow. Dip your back. Round your spine. Link up your breath. Inhale. And round, exhale. Again, in. And exhale. Sit your butt back to your heels. Round. Cow forward. Round into cat, butt to heels. Belly forward, eyes forward. Round into cat, sink to your heels. Cow. And go ahead and release. Now let's come all the way up for hip circles. Stay right here, your left leg. Circle it around 3 times. Just warming things up. Just reverse. And change to the right. Circle. I just kicked my block over. Make sure yours are out of the way. And release. Round back into child's pose after you've already reversed. And come up, make sure your blocks are off to the side. All right, down dog. Put your butt in the air. Let's pedal out the feet. And just stay here. Sink your heels down. Let everything go. Maybe you nod your chin. Shake your head, yes and no. And bring your right leg forward. Lower that left knee. Open your right hand to the sky. Bring it back down. One more. Open it up. Bring it back down. Come all the way up. Both hands on your knee. Now take your left hand to your right knee and open up your right hand. A little twist. And back to center. Bring both your arms up, cactus. Take a breath in. Exhale, heart to the sky. Back to center. Breath in. Big exhale, heart to the sky. Back to center. Lower both hands down. Bring your left leg up, down dog. Pedal out the feet. And left leg forward. Lower the right. Inhale the left arm up. And bring it back down. One more. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. Come all the way up into that forward lunge. Just taking a breath in and out. Take your right hand toward your left knee. Open up your left arm and look at it. Nice little twist. Bring it back to center. Rise up for a cactus. Inhale. Big exhale, heart to sky. Inhale to center. Big exhale. Squeezing the shoulder blades together. Whoop. Lost my balance, looking forward. And bring your hands back down to your knee, down to the floor. Just one little breath, settling into it. And bring it back, downward facing dog. Let your heels melt down. Maybe you pedal out the feet. Bring the right leg up. Three-legged dog, reach it up to the sky. Step the right leg through pigeon. And come all the way forward so your arms are still straight. Maybe use a block underneath your right hip if you can't get it down all the way. If you're able to, bring your elbows to the floor. If not, use a block. Build your ground up and just settle in. Breath in. Breath out. Big breath in. Big breath out. Coming back up. Breathe it in. Let it sink open. Back onto your toes on that left foot. Downward facing dog. We've been here before. Pedal out the feet. Left leg, three-legged dog. Reach it up. Step it through. Lower the right. And then bring your left foot into pigeon. So we just took a different entry. straight leg. And just breathe it here. And bring it back down. Use a block if you need. Lower your head. Let everything go. Couple more breaths here. And exhale it out. Onto your toes on that right leg. Come up, straight arms. Downward facing dog. Lower down to your knees. And onto your belly. Hands by your side. Inhale, press up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, press up. And lower. Come on up to all fours. Come up to a kneeling upright position. Your knees are wide. Inhale your right arm down and your left arm to the sky. And right back up. Inhale your right arm up. Exhale over. And up. And release. Circle your head around. Reverse. One more. And release. Sit onto your side. Z-sit your legs again. And just a stretch. Stretch it over to the right. Maybe you bring that arm up and back up. I'm going to move over so you can see me. Inhale the right arm over and back up. Let's do the other side. Inhale it over, stretch the side body, and back up. Inhale it over, and back up. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you got a little quick stretch in and you're ready to tackle your day. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll see you on your mat next time. Bye.